Hi friends, this is Mrs. Nelson and you are in group 1, so I'm hoping that you'll be able to move out of group 1. Let's get started. Make sure you have your pencil and your paper. Should say 6729. We're going to do this together. I would like to see almost every single one of you. I want to see every single one of you get out of this group. Some of you have been in this group for days. Okay. Let's take a look here. We have here, I'm going to move my face a little bit, label, it'll say label each digit with the place value name. All you have to do is name the place values. So this is the tens, this is the ones. Simple. Tens and ones. Okay. Moving on. We have, what is the value of the underlined digit? How much is it worth? Value means worth. What is that worth? If I have 2 pieces of paper, that means 2 pieces of paper. And how much is that paper worth? Well, that paper, that 2 is sitting in the tens place. So it's 2 times 10. So tens place, 2 times 10 is 20. This is in the ones place, so I have a $1 bill. How much do I have in my pocket? I have $1. Okay, so what's the value that's worth? How much is it worth? Okay, because it's sitting in a place. And because of that place, it has a value. All right, so expanded form. Tell me how much each place is worth. We have the 6 and the 8. The 8 is in the tens place, so you have 8 groups of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. You have 8 groups of 10. 8 of them. 8 of them. So that's worth 80. Plus, you have a 6. 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's only worth 6. So that's 86. You have a 3 in the hundreds place. You have 3 $100 bills. 100, 200, 300. One finger is worth 100. One finger is worth 100. One finger. I have 3 fingers. Each of them is worth 100 for 300. Plus, I have 7 $10 bills. So, 7 fingers worth 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So that's worth 70. Plus the $3. Each one is worth 1. 1, 2, 3. 3. Put your parentheses around that because that means they're together. All right, write in standard form. Now, this is expanded form right here. That's expanded form. And we need to write that back into standard form. That means how many pieces of paper in each place value. I have a $20. I have $20 in my pocket. That means I will have two pieces of paper plus the 1. Okay? So 21. So 20 plus 1 is 21. Standard form. This is asking how many groups of 10 are in 38. Well, I look for the tens place, and I circle everything in front of it. Well, there only happens to be a 3. Okay? That's what we're doing. Now, most of you are messing up either here or here. I will be pulling you and talking to you. If you have a question or concern, please come see me. Please get your teacher work and get that turned in. I will see you soon.